Hi friends, here is a nice problem. Here we are given this polynomial ax power 4 plus bx cube minus x square plus 2x plus 3. If we divide this one with this one, x square plus x minus 2, we are getting a remainder of 4x plus 3. Then what is a and b? Right, this is a very simple problem. Here we are given some function. Let's call this function as f of x. Okay, we are given some function. This one, let's see if we call this as f of x. What we are given, f of x is equal to, it is divided by x square plus x minus 2, right? X square plus x minus 2, right? If we divide this, f of x, if we divide this with this, we'll get some quotient. Let's say the quotient function is some q of x plus some remainder, right? What is the remainder? 4x plus 3. This is what the statement is about, right? This function, this polynomial, if it is divided by this one, we'll get some quotient and some remainder. Basically, this divisor into quotient plus remainder is the function. As simple as, let's say we are saying, so 35 is divided by 8, let's say, then we'll get 8 times 4 plus 3, right? 8 is the divisor and 4 is the quotient. 35, if we want to divide it by 8, we can say 8 times 4 plus 3, right? This 35 is this function, this polynomial. This polynomial is equal to x square plus x minus 2 times, uh, times some quotient, this can be another polynomial, plus some remainder, right? Now, if you closely observe, what is this x square plus x minus 2? X square plus x minus 2, we can write it as x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. This becomes x into x plus 2 minus 1 into x plus 2. That means this is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2. Right. That means we can write this as x square plus x minus 2. We can replace this as x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2. Basically, this function is x minus 2 into x plus 2 into some quotient plus some this remainder 4x plus 3. Right. Now, this function, if you let's say x minus 1 and x plus 2 is there, if you put x equals to 1, this entire part will become 0, right? If we put x equals to 1, x minus 1 is 0, so this entire part will be 0, and we will get 4 into 1 plus 3 on right hand side, and f of 1. F of 1 is basically 4 into 1 plus 3. That is what we are getting. Right, let us do that. F of 1, if you put f of 1, what is f of 1? A into 1 power 4 plus b into 1 cube minus 1 square plus 2 plus 3, right? A plus b minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? A plus b minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, f of 1 if you put. And what is the right hand side? Right hand side is 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3, that is 4 into 1 plus 3, f of 1, right? Because why we are doing, because why is this happening? Because this entire part will become 0. If you put 1, or if you put x equals to minus 2 also, then also this part will become 0. If you put x equals minus 2, then this part will become 0. So this entire part will become 0. F of minus 2 will become 4 into minus 2 plus 3, right? Which is the other part. 4 into minus 2 plus 3. F of minus 2 if you do, f of minus 2 if you do, what is the ax power 4? What is our equation? Our original equation was ax power 4 plus bx cube minus x square plus 2x plus 3. Right. So if you put x equals 1, then what will happen? A plus b minus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Right. This should be equal to, what is the equation? What is the remainder? This should be equal to remainder, which is 4x plus 3. Remainder is 4x plus 3. That is this. 4x plus 3. Okay, what does that mean? If you simplify this, a plus b minus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, 4. And here what is this? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 4 is again 3. A plus b equal to 3. Similarly, if you put x equals minus 2 in this equation, f of minus 2 becomes a into minus 2 power 4 plus b into minus 2 whole cube minus minus of minus 2 whole square plus 2 into minus 2. 2x is 2 into minus 2 plus 3. This should be equal to 4x plus 3. Right? Why? Because this entire part will become 0. If you put minus 2 here, this part will become 0. We will be left with only this part. That is 4 into minus 2 plus 3. That is this. Simplify this. What will it happen? This will become a times 16. This part will become 16 plus b times minus 8, which is minus 8b, minus of minus 2 square, which is 4, minus 4. 2 times minus 2 minus 4 plus 3. This will become 4 times minus 2 minus 8 plus 3, which is minus 5. What does this mean? Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 plus 3, which is minus 5. That minus 5 with this minus 5 will get cancelled. We'll be left with 16a minus 8b. 16a minus 8b is equal to 0, which is equal to, if we take 2 common, if we cancel 8, then this becomes 2a minus b equals 0. That means b equals 2a. Right? 2a minus b equals 0. This is one equation, and a plus b is equal to 3. This is another equation. We got two equations. What we will do? Let's add both of them. Then this minus b plus b will cancel. 2a plus a, which is 3a. 3a equals 3 plus 0, which is 3. That means a equals 1. And a plus b equals 3. That means b equals 2. Right, guys? It's a simple problem. Only thing that we have to do is we have to understand the concept. The concept is this one polynomial is divided by another polynomial and it will give some remainder. Right? What does that mean? This polynomial, whenever this is 0, right? Then obviously the product of the divisor and the quotient will become 0. Right? That's what we have done. When x equals 1, this part will become 0. So we'll be left with f of 1 equals the remainder. Similarly, when x equals minus 2 also, this part will entirely become 0. Right? The product of quotient and divisor will become 0. So f of minus 2 will become the remainder. This is called the remainder theorem also, by the way. Right, guys? Division of polynomials. Very simple problem. Hope you like this. Thank you.